What's up, YouTube? I'm going to give you a few tips on how to waterproof your bathroom during a renovation. We're going to start right now.
Okay, let's jump right in. Today we're going to be renovating this late 1970s bathroom, and we're going to be giving you a few tips on how to waterproof it. My name's James, and welcome to our very first YouTube episode. Be sure to leave questions at the end, comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Watch as we take this mold-infested bathroom from this to this and top it off with this glass shower door in a matter of days.
Day number one, demo. We're going to be tearing out and rebuilding this bathroom. We're going under the drywall. We'll be tearing this out here soon too. So we're going to go back to the studs with this. We'll give you an update tomorrow.
Okay, now that demo is complete, take this time to reroute your plumbing and hang your cement boards. Tip number one. Okay, the plumbing has been rerouted and the cement board is going up.
As you can see, we're sitting where the bathtub used to be and toilet.
Now, we've taken the time to do is use a waterproofing membrane that's called Red Guard. Use this stuff and it definitely will help to keep any moisture from seeping behind your tile and causing any mold or mildew. This is tip number two. Also, Red Guard uses an uncoupling mat. That's that baby right there. We use that to ensure that your tiles won't shift in the future or crack in the seams. Okay, now tip number three. Make sure you start your tile on center. Move from left to right as you work your way upward, and it may, if you're lucky, turn out something like this. Now, for the floor, for your shower floor, we use something that's called the Curdy shower drain system, made by Schluter. Now, this is not a paid endorsement, but I must say this stuff is really good when it comes to setting up your shower easily and finishing a tiling job. Tip number four.
Okay, day number 50. Here we are with the laying the floor tiles down. Right, I know, right? Here we are. I guess perfection takes time. See y'all later.
Okay, pay attention to how we're beginning to work our way up the wall and out of the room. We are now down to our last 2 days, and here's where we are. Okay, do a quick summary of the tips that we put together so far. Number one, update your plumbing as soon as demo is complete. Number two, use a waterproofing membrane. Preferably, we use Red Guard. Number three, definitely start your tile on center and work your way from side to side. And four, using the Curdy shower drain kit makes everything a lot easier.
This is the last day, and here's what we got. New shower head, new fixture, new floor, new drain, shower niche, toilet, floor, threshold. We out of here.
So guys, if you know someone who's getting their bathroom renovated and they need a couple of pointers, leave a comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll get back to you.